The POWERWORKS Electric Pressure Washer 1800 delivers an impressive power of 1,800 pounds per square inch at 1.1 gallons per minute, making it perfect for quick and efficient cleaning of various surfaces around the home. Ease of use is a major feature of this pressure washer, with an onboard detergent tank that eliminates the need for a separate bucket and hose, and a 25 feet high pressure hose and 35 feet power cord that minimize distance and environmental constraints. The design of the washer ensures stability and mobility, featuring a low center of gravity, large wheels, and support rods that make it easy to move and place on different surfaces. This product is certified by the Pressure Washer Manufacturers Association, guaranteeing that the claimed water pressure and flow rate have been independently tested and verified. The Total Stop System feature automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the life of the pump. With a high review score of 4.3 out of 5 and a reasonable price of $109.99, the POWERWORKS Electric Pressure Washer 1800 offers great value for money.